So guys, I'm back to this one. I don't know if I diagnosed it last time, and this baby was broken inside it, and I had to get another one. Right, but the thing is, right, the pressure's gone to 3 bars. The expansion vessel's checked, that's fine. The filling loop is checked. Right, I opened that left drawer open, it's not passing. Unfortunately, the real conclusion is the plate heat exchanger has probably got a pinhole in it, so we're gonna change that, and hopefully it'll be all working fine after that. Here, this baby here. So this is broken. Let's switch the power off, and that we're gonna do first. So I just hope this fits it, man. So we got my YouTube video. You just wait for it, man. So guys, this is the broken one, yeah? It's the broken one. It's broke. Last time it's gone. So I've got a new one here. Can't remember what the symptoms on it actually. Anyway, I got it opened and it was all broken inside there. I'm just got a new one, and I'm gonna change the plate heat exchanger on it as well. Things over there, bro. So I'm gonna put this in. If it doesn't go in, then we'll go. If it doesn't tighten, if there's something in there, this won't tighten in it. So we'll find out. Looks like it's not gonna tighten. I mean, maybe you're right. Nah, it is. Right, so that's in, and we just tighten that. And that's it. Sorted in. But the problem is, I gotta put this pin to, will you? Yeah. So that's fine. Okay, cold. We've done the thingy. More than you, okay. Now I'll come forward. We'll fall forward. Right, guys. The plate is out. I know it's full of gunk and anything, but I got the feeling, right, it's got a pinhole inside it, and it's passing into the from the domestic hot water side. It's passing into the radiators. That's why the pressure is going up. Otherwise, I've checked everything else. Okay, we're gonna have to. This is a guess one, unfortunately. And that's the new one. I'm hoping that it does fit. It's a bit thicker though. Not that cheddar. It's a bit thicker though, isn't it? It's right part. Got them two out. 2 of them are dropped at the back of the boiler, and we're ready to put these new washers in there. Right, okay. That's it. That's it.
Sorted.
Okay. And we open the cold water slowly. We need to open it all, yeah? Just a bit. Just to test it out. Yeah, no leaks. That's sorted. Now we're going to open the other ones. I'm going to top it up now, yeah? And top it up. Okay, this one's quite stiff, man. Oh, there you go. Okay. Not yet. That's true.
We tighten it.
No. Good idea. We tighten it. Just tighten that. Okay. Let's go back to it again. Happy now? You see? No. Let me just tighten it a bit more later. I think I'm happy with that. 1 second, it's still going. Bit of a pressure in here. Okay, let's go. And we're gonna put that in. And we put this clip in. And we're ready to rock and roll. We got that in. We got the plate in, and we're ready to switch it on. Let's put these screws in first. I'll do. Right, let's switch it on. Now we'll find out if the hot water is working. Ready? That's the red light's on. The run's on. It's firing up. There we go, it's fired up. Temperature's going up. I'm just gonna the temperature's going up. That's too much. Let's cover it there. There you go. 49 Celsius. 62 Celsius. There's this. Yep, that's nice and hot there. Nice hot. Big heat. So that's wicked. That's it. We tested our water. That's going up. Let's put the temperature on that. And central heating demand is on. So we're going to wait for that. I have to change the. Right, okay. For that. So guys, the tap water is working fine, the domestic hot water is working fine, but unfortunately the central heating side was overheating. So I thought, okay, so either the new cartridge is wrong cartridge, no, it's a wrong part, or there's some debris still left inside it. So I took the old cartridge out, checked inside it, and piece of the old cartridge was still left inside it. So I had to open the flow isolation valve and then just push it up and push it out. I tried all the other tricks from the top, but didn't work. So that was the only way. I took it all out, and it's all working fine after that. It wasn't overheating or anything. The central heating was fine.
This is like a non-criminal's idea of it.
Okay. So guys, we changed this, right, and plate heating unit. The reason we changed the plate heating unit because the pressure was just rising, going to 3 bars. Even we got no heating on it. So the only thing that was is the plate was probably had a pinhole in it. So we've done that. It's stable. If we don't get a complaint in a couple of days, right, that means that's sorted then. So it's all working then. If we get a complaint in a couple of days, then yeah. Right. If we get a complaint, the pressure's going up again, then we have to dig deeper back up. To be honest, we think of anything else, man. And so it's on standby for central heating. The central heating is working fine. Guys, this boiler was a bit of a nightmare. I want to get into the car and explain what happened to it. So it was a simple issue on it afterwards, but Anyway, we'll again see how much explain, but for now, it's all working, it's all sorted. Till next time, Birmingham boiler fix. Guys, I've just done a boiler repair, this Potterton here.
Yeah, after 2 weeks, 3
Okay.
people is coming, does not fix it, just he's coming, they fix it for me. Thank you very much for everything.
Oh, brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This guy is a nice guy, so I had to have him on my film.
Thank you.
So,